Welcome to day 16, Mehr. When you feel ready, gently close your eyes. We will begin with a slow counted breath. Allow my voice to guide the rhythm. Inhale slowly to 7 numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1. Exhale gently. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. 1. Again. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 1. Exhale slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause for 1. One more time. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And soft hold. 1. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. 1. And now allow the breath to release its structure. Let it move in its own way, natural, unforced. Notice how the body continues breathing without effort, and simply rest there. Now gently bring your awareness back. Without opening the eyes, feel the lower abdomen, the space of movement, emotion, and connection. Today is the day of Mehr, the day of bond, of harmony, of sacred relationship. In the path of the warrior, Connection is not created by effort, but by allowing flow. Feel the breath moving softly through the lower belly, like water that knows how to meet without losing itself. There is nothing to hold, nothing to protect. Now when you're ready, we will repeat the mantra VAM together. If you can, let the sound be gentle. If not, simply listen. VAM. Let the sound soften the body. Let it remind you that connection begins with ease. Today, I allow connection to flow naturally. I release the need to control closeness. Like water that joins without force, I remain myself while meeting others. I do not harden to feel safe. I soften to feel alive. My relationships are fluid. My boundaries are calm. Now, slowly and gently, begin to open your eyes. Carry this sense of harmony with you as you return to your day. Today, my state is calm.